So when we bought our house, it had these screens in it, and we were very excited by that until we tried to use them. Most of the time, that happens.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
You have to touch it just at the right angle in order for it to lock, or it will not stay locked. You have to really jam it closed, and a lot of times we'll be sitting out here on the patio, and that happens.
Jeez.
But you can see,
Oh yeah.
if you don't push it just right, it doesn't close.
We're going to install an Apollo retractable screen. We'll bring you back down once that is installed.
Let's take a look at the old Mirage screen. It has a 7-sided housing and pull bar that doesn't match the house. Notice the smaller grip on the plastic handle, as well as the dirty screen mesh and unfinished look of the screws. Apollo is sleek, sexy, and modern. Apollo screens feature a much more finished, elegant look. And of course, a nice slow release.
So pull it across and then
All
you
right.
tell me how you...
It's not jamming open. How exciting. I don't have to pull it hard.
Yeah, I mean, mess with it and see how you...
It doesn't slam. It's very quiet.
These are our first reactions here, guys. Real. Are they real?
They're real. This is my house. Wow, it's a huge difference. And from an angle, you can't even really see the screen. Like, I didn't realize it was even closed.
Yeah, don't run into it.
I'll remind my teenager about that. No, this is wonderful. It's a world of difference compared to the other screen.
Apollo retractable door screens, truly the next level.